What a day with the Apple event today, September 14th. We are here to talk about it. Everything you need to know about the WWDC 2021 on September 14, you will find it here. Hello, and thank you for joining me. This is Maxilimite. As expected, they released a few new devices. We're going to start from the iPad mini, which comes with the A13 Bionic chip, which they claim is faster CPU, faster GPU as always, and 3 times faster than the regular Chromebook, I guess. And they always talk about speed every year, speed. But this iPad, what does it bring onto the table? And this actually iPad will start at $329. And as you can see, has all this thing, regular stuff that we already know about. And yeah, with color, true tones, 10 times faster because we have now the lightning cable, and we have a 12 megapixel at the back, and I guess a fingerprint on top of the screen with the True Tone flash, and we have now a few speakers on both sides, typical for iPad. We also have a multiple color of covers if you guys want it, and that's everything about the iPad mini. Well, typical iPad, nothing too impressive here. I mean, compared to few years ago, the iPad is different. Now we're going to talk about the iWatch Series 7. As you can see, we have a bigger screen, and yeah, this is good, and that is up to 70% brighter, I guess, if you're in the dark or something. And then these are the lineup at the moment. They kept the iPhone, they kept the Series 3, the SE, and the Series 7. As you can see, 199, 279, and 399. And this comes in the 4. It's not available yet to order. And then if you want it, you have to wait a little bit. And then again, we were expecting the new iPhone 13, which they claim has a bigger battery, and which is again every time faster. And they also brought in the iPhone mini. This one has a 12 megapixels, and then as you can see, those are the specs what the iPhone 13 brings onto the table. And again, the mini is $699, the iPhone 13 $799, and multiple colors as usual. Yeah, nothing too impressive here. We were actually waiting for it, and we got it. Well, except from the speed and the cameras, well, there's nothing really interesting here. And they also brought in the iPhone 13 Pro $999, and the Pro Max, as you can see there, with multiple storage, 128 and so on and so forth. This is going to be available to order on Friday, and then I guess it's going to be available for you to receive it on September 23rd, and the new lineup is right in front of you. And that is honestly pretty much it about this event. Kind of boring for me, but anyway, that was it. Okay, again, thank you for watching, and if you want the full version of the Apple event, well, you can also go and check it out on the Apple website. That being said, thank you again for joining me, and have a wonderful day. This is Maxilimate signing out. See you in the next one.